بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class nursery. How are you students? I hope you will be fine. This is your maths class. Let's start the class with number poem. 1, 2, how are you? 3, 4, wash the floor. 5, 6, touch your lips. 7, 8, open the gate. 9, 10, tiger in the den. Dear students, our topic is few and many. Few mean थोड़े, many mean थोड़े से ज़्यादा. Today I will clear the concept of few and many to all of you through activity. Okay students, now look at here. Few balls, many balls. Few balls and these are many balls and these are many balls. Okay student, look at here. What are these? These are cups. These are cups. But these are few cups. But these are few cups. And these are many cups. And these are many cups. ये थोड़े हैं और ये थोड़े से ज़्यादा हैं. हाँ बच्चों, आप बोले मेरे साथ, बताए. ये थोड़े हैं और ये थोड़े से ज़्यादा हैं. वाह, ये क्या है? ये तो टॉफीज हैं. क्या आपको टॉफीज पसंद है? यस, वेरी गुड. टॉफीज सबको पसंद होती है. अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि हाउ मेनी टॉफीज आर दीज. These are few toffees. These are few toffees. And these are many toffees. And these are many toffees. Few markers. And these are many markers. Few markers. And these are many markers. Now students, open book page number 5. Now look at here. Our topic is few and many. These are few flowers. These are few flowers. And these are many flowers. And these are many flowers. Now this is your homework time.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.